Imagine a world where industrial automation is as seamless as a well-orchestrated symphony. In Automation Expert Unleashed, Building the Future with IEC 61499, you'll explore the revolutionary standard that's transforming the manufacturing landscape. This book by Chris Papazacharias takes you on a journey through the essential concepts of IEC 61499, from its role in the industrial Internet of Things to the intricate dance of IT and OT convergence. It's time to start building the future and discover how open automation systems can enhance efficiency, productivity, and reuse, much like a finely tuned machine. With practical insights, hours of practice through hands-on exercises, and clear, colorful guidance featuring almost 1,000 images, this book is designed to equip engineers and automation professionals with the knowledge to implement and optimize IEC 61499 in their projects. Whether you're a seasoned expert or new to the field, this book offers a clear, compelling, and professional roadmap to mastering the future of industrial automation.